guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys something that got sent to me. This is the first product I've ever received as like an item for free from a company. So I thought this would be a really cool video to do. This video is not sponsored at all. I do want to make that clear. This was sent to me to test out and review, and all opinions are my own. So the product that got sent to me is this beauty LED light. I haven't opened it yet. So I got this from Amazon, and the brand name is called ZOMEi. I kind of think of it as iHome, but backwards with a Z, if that makes any sense. So basically it's just a ring light that's supposed to help you with your makeup videos, your selfies, all that good jazz. So I'm gonna go through the demonstration of how to set it up, go through the light settings and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested to see what I think about this ring light, then just keep on watching. This retailed on Amazon for about $39.99. So let's see how easy it is to set up, because the ring light that I have that I'm using right now for my phone was such a pain in the ass to even build because it didn't come with instructions. So I had to like look it up through YouTube, you know, and all that stuff. So we'll see how this goes. So this is what the inside looks like. And I apologize about my lighting. I am using my natural light and my glasses seem to reflect off of it. So just bear with me. First thing I see when I open this box is a nice little manual. So again, this is the brand ZOMEi. And it has a manual, so that's really nice to know, because like I said, my ring light that I had did not come with instructions. So we're gonna be using this. I did have two options to choose from the internet. They did come in a white one and a pink one, and I decided to get the white one just because my desk is white and I like the aesthetic of white. I like it looking clean. So this is how big this light is. So you get the ring light, get the little stand, and it looks like this is going to be a really easy thing to put together. Here is the little cord. And basically, I'm just going to be putting it together right now. So that was super easy. Okay, now I'm just going to put this on top of this. So this is what it looks like so far. I apologize, I don't have a good setup right now. It also comes with a USB cord and a little setup for your phone or your camera. So basically it comes attached with this little piece right here, and you just basically stick these two together. It was really easy. It was like a three-step process. This can be used for your phone, and you can turn it to any position that you like, which is super cool. And I really like how it's looking so far. So once I have this light all put together, it does, like I said, come with a USB cord. So this is what the cord looks like. You do get a pretty decent size. I would definitely recommend, if you guys are using this for like your makeup or your videos, to have an extension cord, because I don't know if this will be long enough for what you are wanting. So I'm just going to be using my iPhone pod charger thing, and I'm just going to stick the USB cord into it. And this side is going to go into the ring light, which comes on the side right there. And that was pretty much it for the setup. It was super quick and easy. You can take this on the go wherever you need to do. I also would like to use this just for my makeup. So yeah, anyways, so this is the light settings right here. It has a little knob, and you're just gonna turn it over so you can make it as bright as you want. And then this side right here is the settings, the color settings. So you can make it more white toned or orange. So it's up to you on what you want to do. Ooh. This actually looks super cool. Awesome. I think I'm actually going to be using these for my videos from now on, because the one I have is a super tiny light and this one is way better. I'm going to pop off my phone from this tripod that I have going on right now and see how the light settings look with this. Alright guys, so I put my phone on the new ring light and I actually kind of like this. It's more higher up, gives you a more better view, and I feel like the lighting looks so much better. So I don't have my light on, but I just want to show you reference on what light I use for my ring light. So I purchased this from Amazon about like a few months ago when I started doing my YouTube channel again. And as you can see, this light is super small compared to the ZOMEi that I'm using right now. And I don't know, I just don't like this setup because my phone has to be down here, the light is up here, whereas the one I'm using right now, my phone is in the middle of the light. So I really like that. It does have a nice long cord, which I like, and it is a tripod, so you can, you know, extend it to what you want to. Alright guys, so I'm just going to play with the light settings. So again, it's just a little knob. Let's see. So I have my setting on, as you guys can tell, and I really like this. Cool. Can finally take the most perfect selfies if I wanted to. I'm going to try changing the light settings. So right now I have it more on the orangey setting, which is okay, but I prefer this kind of lighting right here, the more white and bright look. So yeah, I really like this. My highlight is popping. Ooh. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm pretty much happy with this ring light. And again, it was only $40. I'll be leaving everything down below on where you can find it on Amazon. I am so happy that this got sent out to me, so thank you so much for sending this out. I am super excited. I can finally do a new setup. Like, this looks so much better in my opinion. What do you guys think? Like, I want to know your opinions. Let me know down below what you guys thought of this video. I am really shocked and impressed because just going back into this ring light right here, this cost me pretty much the same price that this one did. This one's probably $5 cheaper. I think I got this for $35. I just like the quality of this light. It looks so much more sleek, so much more pretty, and it looks really good. It just looks like I have high-end lighting right now. Please excuse my messy makeup vanity. I do have to go through and declutter and organize, but this is what the light looks like. It's nice and big. Now I'm back to my original setup so you guys can kind of see the difference. So yeah, this is what that ZOMEi ring light looks like. I'm really excited to use this. I'm actually probably going to just use this instead of the ring light I have now. It's kind of nice to have more than one backup just in case. But I thought this was a really great product. I'm really glad that I had the chance to test this out and give you guys my opinions. Again, I do use my phone for recording, so I don't have like a fancy camera, but it is doable for cameras as well as iPhones or any kind of phone you have. And I like that it has this rotating little mechanism because you can change, you know, any type of way that you want to record. So you can have it this way if you want to take a selfie. You can have it this way if you want your phone horizontal, so that way you can record your YouTube videos or any kind of beauty videos that you do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little review on this ZOMEi ring light. Again, everything will be linked down below on where you can purchase this product. And again, thank you so much for sending this out. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, until next time guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!